Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Globally Mag. This is Captain Wolf, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to take screenshot on laptop or PC if you have already installed a Windows. So it's quite an easy topic, and today I'm going to show you different tips and tricks with the help of which you can take the screenshot and can amend it according to your needs. But before that, if this is the first time that you have come to my channel, then I would ask you to just subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that whenever we upload the new videos, you get the notification for it and you can learn the new tips and tricks of the technology world. So let's get started. So how to take screenshot on laptop or PC if you have a Windows on your PC or laptop. So there are very basic tricks and tips with the help of which you can do this step. So Windows already have a built-in screen option, print screen option, then you can utilize. And if I'm going to show you the keyboard, you already would see that you already have a print screen button on your screen. Here it is. And if you can see your laptop or PC, you will find this button in different words, but it will be the same, like the print screen button will be available on your laptop. So all you need to do is just hit the print screen button. Here I'm going to click it and it is going to take the screenshot of my entire desktop, and it is already copied on the clipboard of the Windows. And if I'm going to need this thing, then what I need to do is just open any application where I can easily edit the image and just need to enter Control and V, and here you can see that the print screen of my entire desktop. As you can see that the whole desktop has been copied, and here you can see that even the logos in the taskbar are also showing. So this is how easy it is to take the screenshot. And here when you paste it in the paint, then you can do different sort of thing. You can create annotations, you can write text about anything. This is a screenshot, and accordingly you can use different tools such as highlight any area, mark any area, and similarly with the help of many other tools such as an eraser, you can just remove anything that you want. And this is a very easy thing to do if you already have a Windows installed. Now here comes a simple problem. Let's suppose if I want to take the screenshot of just my current screen. Let's print, just hit the button print screen. I'm going to do that. I'm going to hit the print screen button, but now I want to take a screenshot of the next screen. I'm going to hit the print screen again, and if the third time I open, let's suppose google.com. Here I'm open the google.com, and if I click the print screen button, it is going to take the screenshot of this. But there is a problem. What if you wanted to have the first print screen on your that we took earlier and wanted to have that in your paint? But if I'm going to paste my screenshot over here, you will see that it is not going to show us the same thing. If I'm going to paste it, as you can see that the latest print screen has been shown, and I cannot move in between the print screens that I have already taken on the step 1, on the step 2, or the step 3. Well, to help you with this, all you need to do is just hit the Windows key and V simultaneously. I'm going to press Windows key and I'm going to press V, and here as you can see that Windows clipboard history has settings has been shown. As you can see that it is not turned on, it is off, so it is only going to replace my latest screenshot on the screen. So what I need to do is just hit the turn on icon, and now if I'm going to take multiple screenshots, it is going to show me over there. So let's just start it again. This is the first print screen that I'm going to take. I have hit the button print screen. This is the second, and this is the third print screen. So if I go back to my clipboard history, again pressing Windows V, as you can see that all three screenshot has been shared over here, and from here I can select whichever screenshot I want. So let's suppose if I want that screenshot, it is going to copy over there, and here I'm going to open the new bar, and if I'm going to paste it, and as you can see that the screenshot that I selected can be pasted over here. So this is how easy it is. Now the next thing that I'm going to teach you over here is, let's suppose it is taking the complete screenshot of your entire picture. What if you want to have the screenshot of only the current screen that is showing, not the taskbar, not the timing, nor anything else? So what you need to do is just hit the Alt button along with the print screen. So let's just try that. I'm going to hit the Alt button and the print screen, and then we are going to see what it's going to show us. I'm going to do it right now, Alt and print screen. And here again, if I'm going to open a new paint option and if I'm going to paste this, as you can see that you will not see the taskbar showing here. It has only taken the screenshot of my current screen. So this is how you can utilize both features. If you want to take the complete screenshot of the entire desktop, that you can do by hitting the print screen button, and if you want only to take the screenshot of your current window, that you can easily do with by using Alt plus print screen option. So this is how easy it is to use it. So let's move ahead and see what are the other options available in the windows that you can utilize and take the screenshot. As you can see that if you just copy and paste it in Paint, we have very limited option. And now I'm going to teach you how you can take screenshot by using Windows Microsoft Edge. So here I have opened Microsoft Edge and I have opened just cnn.com. As you can see that the complete website has been uploaded, and how you can take screenshot is you need to go to the right and hit these three icons, and from here you can click the button web capture, and if you click it you will get two options, capture area or capture full page. So first of all we are going to start with capture area. I'm going to click this and I'm going to just capture the area whichever I want, and here you can see that I can easily scroll down as well and take the entire picture or the screenshot of my website or whichever I want to. So I can limit it to only a specific area, and here you can see that it provides us with more option as compared to just print screen button. And if I just release the mouse cursor, as you can see that I am given the two option, either copy or mark capture. Let's hit mark capture. As you can see that it is showing me in another window, and here you can see that the image that I have captured using the web capture option, it is shown over here. I can draw different things, let's suppose in different colors. I can choose the colors and write or mark any area that I want, and similarly I can erase any area as well. So that's how easy it is to use Microsoft Edge web capture option. Let's try the other option of the web capture. Just close this window and we are going to again click web capture, and here we are going to capture full page. Now the full page has been captured, and here you can see that the entire page of the website has been captured, and I can easily edit it, add whatever I want, highlight any area that I want, and if I want to save this image I will click the save option and it is going to save it. And if I open this file, as you can see that the entire page has been captured. So this is how easy it is to use Microsoft Edge web capture option to take advantage of the screenshot. So these were the two basic tricks, and now moving on, if you have Microsoft Office installed in your laptop, then you can utilize PowerPoint as well. So let's move ahead and use PowerPoint to take the screenshot. So we are here at the Microsoft PowerPoint, and in Microsoft PowerPoint you can also take advantage of their very advanced tools, which is taking the screenshot. And if you want to take the screenshot using Microsoft PowerPoint, all you need to do is just go to insert, and here you can see that screenshot option. If you click that, it is going to offer you different options and you can click screen clipping, and from here, as you can see that my screen has been highlighted and the cursor has changed, and now I can take the screenshot of any area of my screen which I want. So let's just take the screenshot of this area and see what happens. So I have dragged and taken the screenshot of this area, and what it's going to do is it is going to take that image and just going to paste it in Microsoft PowerPoint. And with PowerPoint we are given very advanced features. Why using PowerPoint is best as compared to the other option is that here you are provided with different options of pictures. As you can see that we can use different features, such as we can use different frames and accordingly change our image according to our liking. And here you can see that we have artistic effects and we can change the image as according to our need. It is providing us with multiple options, and similarly we can use colors and change the color of our image as well. So this is how easy it is to take advantage of PowerPoint built-in feature of taking the screenshot. So it's up to you which features you want to take and take advantage of. So as you can see that we have talked about different features such as using the Windows built-in feature of print screen. We can utilize that. If you want to take the screenshot of the current window, we can use that as well. And if you want to utilize other things such as taking advantage of Microsoft Edge, we can do that as well. And in the last, we have learned how to take advantage of PowerPoint screenshot function as well. Well, this is it, but we have many other options available for us as well. There are many softwares that you can use to take the screenshot, and those softwares give you variety of options that you can take advantage of. With these built-in features of PowerPoint and Windows screen option, they are very limited. We can't do much thing about that, and similarly the history and maintaining all those screenshots in one place is very difficult. So keep watching the Globally Mac channel, and in the future videos we are going to talk about different screenshot taking softwares available on the internet, and most of them would be free of cost and you can just install them and utilize those features according to your need. So thank you for watching our video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and in the comment section do share your feedback. And if you want us to create videos on other different features or other different softwares, we can do that as well. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.